One mom is pushing for change after her son's death. She says stricter procedures need to be in place in how evidence is collected. Her son Corey was stabbed in 2013. The family recently learned his killer could be up for parole. John Seeger was recently sentenced to 9 years in prison, but Seeger was not even questioned until 2017, 4 years after Corey's death. 41 Action News reporter Sarah Plake spoke with Corey's mother on the changes she wants lawmakers to pass.
The mom who introduced this bill says that her son's killer could have been caught a lot sooner had these procedures been in place.
When Corey was attacked, somewhere along the lines, because of policies and procedures, Corey's clothing got thrown away.
Mjetje's son, Corey Lakovich, was stabbed in the summer of 2013 and later died at the hospital. Independence police did not immediately recover his clothing, and Metje says she was told it was sitting in a biohazard room.
Because of that, they didn't have any evidence. They had no touch DNA, they had no hair, they had no fibers, they had nothing that they could possibly have used to be able to put this person away.
With the help of Representative Rory Rowland, Corey's Law was just introduced to the Missouri legislature. The bill would require ER nurses to receive 3 hours of forensic collection training, require potential evidence be stored in a lockbox until police say otherwise, and require that hospitals report stab wounds larger than an inch to police.
That takes that responsibility off of a medical person and puts it with the people who are the experts in the field, and making their jobs easier is really what it boils down to.
It wasn't until January 2015, seen in this email, when an Independence police investigator told Metje they would send in Lakovich's clothing for testing, although they were contaminated. A month later, the investigator tells her the clothing actually wasn't contaminated. Then in 2016, she found out the results. Nothing. Metje says procedures could have prevented any possible loss of evidence.
It'll give me peace of mind knowing that other mothers won't have to deal with this kind of fiasco.
Sarah Plake, 41 Action News.
The Missouri Hospital Association says they are still reviewing this bill and plan to speak with Representative Rowland. Still uncertain how much this bill would cost if it became law.